Today, we're making fudgy chocolate brownies in our mini smart oven. To start, turn the function dial to bake. Your rack position will vary depending on what you're baking. But whenever we're making brownies, we'll use the middle rack position. You can adjust temperature and time with the temp and time buttons on the front of the oven. Now, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To select the baking temperature, press the temp button and use the arrows to adjust the baking temperature in 10-degree increments. To select the baking time, press the time button and use the arrows. The LCD displays the preset baking time of 30 minutes. Cut your baking paper large enough to reach the edges of the baking tray, as this will allow for adequate heat circulation. What I love about baking in the mini smart oven is that you really can't mess up your brownie because of the Element IQ system's precise heating control. Position the tin in the middle of the oven and press Start Cancel to begin baking. So quick and easy. If you want to crisp up the brownie tops without burning or overcooking them, the A Bit More button will do the trick. A quick skewer test, and if it comes out slightly gooey, yes, it's perfect. Fudgy brownies. What a great weekend treat to share. Or maybe just keep them to yourself.